video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 5, longest palindromic substring. Given string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. Okay, and S length is 1000. Okay. So there is one way to do it, and that's so there's a different way to do it if we're looking for the palindromes of odd length, like here, or of even length. So that's the only thing we have to be careful about. But in any other case, what we need to do is check each. So middle element for this will be I, and for this it will be the first to the left element. So for I in range len of S, I also need best is equal 0. Output will be empty string now. Or let it be none. That's probably better. Okay, so let's do the case where I do odd length. So I is mid element. I'll take j is equal to 0, and while j so I minus j is greater or equal 0, and I plus j is less than length of S. So it's the last index. Then and I need them to be the same. So S of I minus j is equal to S of I plus j. So for 0 it's the same, for 1 it's not the same. I can just do this, and if so 2 times j minus 1, if that is plus 1, if this is greater than best, then I need to update my output and update best. So best is equal this, output is equal output is equal S from so let's say only 0 was good, but j will be 1 in that case. So I need to be I plus j minus 1 minus j, yes, plus 1, and I plus j. Is it? So only the 0th element was okay. Yeah, should be good. So this will be only one element. If j is 1. If j was for 1 was good, so it was 2. Let's say I have 0th element or whatever. And then yeah, it should be good. Okay, now even length j is equal to 0, it's essentially almost the same thing. Oh. So while I minus j is greater than 0, and I plus j is I minus j is this plus 1. I'll increase j. And first time this is not true, I think should be the same. Almost. So best is so if j was 1, when j is 0, it compares 0 and 1. So when j is 1, 2 times j, I think. Because if it's 1 and it was also good, then it's 2. This one I have this one and previous one, and it's 4 characters, yes, so 4 0. Okay, I think like this. And let's say j was 2, but it started, let's say, from 2, and this last one was not true, so it would be 1. I think plus 1 here. I'm correct. But this one is not the same. So, yeah, but that one is not included. So let's see. Oh, okay, I didn't return, but this should be it. Return output. Okay, seems to be working, and it works. Woo. Okay, I didn't like this one, but you know, it makes sense. It's easy to write this one ugly. That's why I don't like it. So this is off, and in worst case, space complexity and time complexity is, so for h1 we, yeah, it's off and squared. And this should be off and off 1. What? Well, I disagree, but not sure why it's off 1, because it's still, well, yeah, my bad, it's off 1, because it's only a string that is getting updated, so it's not a list of strings. So yeah, you see, still a mistake, but you have to be careful. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them in comments. I appreciate you following in this one, and see you in the next one.